In GuestPost CRM, every deal represents a clear intention to do business, a ready buyer, an agreed price, and a mutual understanding between you and your customer. But deals can't stay active forever. That's why GuestPost CRM uses a strict 90-day validity system supported by automated reminders, expiry logic, and intelligent customer state management. For the full 90 days, the deal stays active, reminders function normally, AI responds with deal-specific context, and the customer is treated as a high-intent buyer. But once the 90 days are over, the deal expires, and before reaching that point, the system sends renewal reminders. GuestPost CRM sends 3 renewal reminders to prevent lost business, revive silent customers, create urgency, and give you a chance to refresh the deal. On day 83, the first renewal reminder goes out, a soft nudge telling the buyer their deal is about to expire. On day 87, the second reminder is more urgent, clearly stating that only 3 days are left. And on day 90, the final expiry notice is sent, the deal officially expires. Automations stop, AI resets, and the customer's workflow returns to the beginning. Once a deal expires, the customer becomes new again. Their next incoming email goes through the full pipeline: acceptance checks, relevance detection, AI's first reply, and a fresh offer leading to a brand new deal. Expired deals are never reused, ensuring no old pricing, no outdated commitments, and no wrong AI context. Everything starts clean. For the customer, expiry means losing all active buyer status, any special pricing, and any ongoing negotiation. They re-enter the normal email flow just like any new contact, and if they want to continue, they must accept a fresh offer and start a new deal cycle. This keeps your pipeline accurate, prevents clutter, and avoids confusion in long negotiations. Deal expiry and renewal reminders exist for a reason. Without them, pipelines would overflow with dead deals. Customers might rely on outdated pricing, negotiations would become messy, and AI might respond with incorrect context. Reminders keep valuable leads warm, ensure customers don't forget, and stop deals from fading away silently. And only after 3 reminders and a full 90 days does a deal truly expire. In summary, the GuestPost CRM deal lifecycle is simple and clean. From day 0 to day 82, the deal is fully active. On day 83, the first reminder goes out. On day 87, the second reminder follows. And on day 90, the final expiry notice is sent and the deal closes. After that, the customer resets. Their next message goes through the full acceptance flow and a fresh negotiation begins. This system ensures every deal stays meaningful, every negotiation stays clear, and your CRM remains fresh, accurate, and fully aligned with your business goals.